Every April planting guide says the same thing. Tomatoes, peppers, maybe some carrots. And that's fine advice, just not very useful if you don't know what you actually need from a plant right now. April has 3 types of crops worth growing. The one you should match your situation, not just what's popular this time of year. Get that wrong and you'll probably give up before anything fruits. Get it right, and this month might actually change how you feel about growing. Category 1, fast crops. Plants where something visible happens in days, not weeks. Lettuce germinates in 3 to 7 days. Baby leaves in about 30. It's the best confidence builder in gardening. Just don't let the soil dry out completely between waterings. Spinach is nearly the same timeline, slightly more forgiving in cool April weather, which matters depending on where you are. Green onions, but from sets or regrown from store-bought scallions in water, not seeds. From seed, they take months. Regrow a scallion root in a glass of water and you'll see new growth in roughly 2 days. That's actually 2 days. Category 2, forgiving crops. These survive the kind of care most beginners actually give. Mint is basically indestructible. Overwater it, forget it for a week, ignore it entirely. It keeps going. One caveat worth knowing: give it its own pot. It spreads in a way that's either impressive or annoying depending on your mood. Basil is forgiving once it's warm. Keep it inside until your nights are consistently above 10 degrees Celsius. It sulks in the cold. Okra doesn't much care about imperfect soil, irregular watering, or heat. If April is still cool where you are, start it indoors first. It more than makes up for the wait once temperatures climb. High yield. The most food from the least space. Potatoes in a 10-liter grow bag. 1 seed potato. Ready in 70 to 90 days. Earlier if you harvest baby potatoes first. The yield to effort ratio on this one is kind of absurd. Cherry tomatoes in a container. Not full-size varieties. Those need more space and more patience than most beginners have. Cherry types are compact, produce continuously, and handle pot life well. Plant them after your last frost date. Peppers are slow. They need warmth and they'll test you, but one established plant produces more than most people expect, and they keep going well into autumn. Here's what this actually means. Want to see something happen this week? Plant lettuce or spinach today. Not next weekend, today. Want something you can't easily kill? Mint. Just start with mint. Want real food from a small space? Potatoes in a bag and 1 cherry tomato plant. You don't need 10 things in the ground to start. The mistake most beginners make is planting what's well known rather than what fits where they are right now. That gap is usually where the interest quietly dies. One last thing. It matters more than it probably sounds. Whatever else you plant this April, include at least 1 fast crop alongside it. Even a pinch of lettuce seeds. Tomatoes and peppers take weeks before anything visible happens. If there's nothing else showing signs of life in the meantime, most people stop checking. And once they stop checking, they stop caring. Fast crops keep you in the loop while the slower ones catch up. Small thing, keeps a lot of people going.